After installing a JDK, you need to download and install Eclipse IDE, which is one of the most popular IDEs for developing all kinds of applications. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. To download Eclipse IDE, we go to the Eclipse homepage, eclipse.org. And for developing our Java web application, we need to have Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. And click on the link to go to the Eclipse homepage. And click on the download button. And choose the Eclipse Oxygen, which is the latest version of Eclipse IDE. And click on the download 64-bit button. Notice that